Chapter 25 The reason due to which a prophet did not come out from the offspring of Yusuf. The narrator, raising it to Abu Abdullah, having said, when Yusuf met up with Yaqub, Yaqub walked over to him, and Yusuf did not walk over to him to welcome. So they had not even separated from hugging each other, when Jibrail came to him and said to him, O Yusuf, the truthful walked over to you, and you did not walk over to him. Extend your hand. So he extended it. There came out a light from his palm. So Yusuf said to him, what is this? He said, this is a sign that there will not be coming out from your posterity a prophet, as a punishment. Abu Abdullah has said, when Yaqub came over to Egypt, Yusuf came out to welcome him. So when Yusuf saw him, he wanted to dismount and walk over to him. Then he considered to what state he was in, from the kingdom, so he did not do it. So when he greeted Yaqub, Jibrail descended unto him and said to him, O Yusuf, Allah blessed and high is saying to you, nothing prevented you from descending to my righteous servant, except for what state you were in, therefore extend your hand. So he extended it, and there came out a light from in between his fingers. So he said to him, what is this, O Jibrail? So he said, this is a sign that there will not be coming out from your posterity a prophet, ever, as a punishment for you due to what you have done with Yaqub, when you did not descend to him, out of respect of your father. Chapter 20